Hey guys, Tony Smith with Minted Yachts. Today we're here at the SoFlo boat show and we are at NX. So NX has a really awesome display. You'll see they actually took up the full area on both sides. So they have 5 boats here. So really nice to see some nice cabin cruisers that are in stock and available here at the show. So we're going to turn the camera around and explore these models. Let us know your thoughts and comments about NX. And if you are in the market for an NX or any other cabin cruiser like this, please feel free to reach out at the info below. Okay, so we're going to start off checking out the NX270. Now what you're going to see here, this is a great little cabin boat that starts at $174,500. So really cool optioned boat, and they do have inboard and outboard versions of this boat. So this is a nice little sporty boat here. It's called the NX270 Challenger. What you're going to see is it has a really nice little arch there, and on the arch that supports an integrated top. So on the integrated top, you're going to see they have a bimini that extends both forward and aft. So really nice. You'll see this is the inboard version of this particular boat. The one feature I love on the NXs is they have these huge platforms. So really an entertainer's boat here. And all of the NXs have this nice setup in the back with plenty of storage, as well as there's an optional cooktop that you can have here in the back. So you see this one has a plancha grill and a sink, really beautiful woodwork. And you'll also notice as we go through the boats, you've got really great upholstery here. So you'll notice we've got diamond stitch upholstery, and I've got to mention the sound system. We got speakers down here, speakers up above on the arch, and overall we just really love this boat and the sound system. Now to be able to get a little cabin cruiser in the 27-foot range for this price, brand new and in stock, is really an awesome option here. Now you'll see it does have the Simrad multifunction display set up on the boat, as well as the Mercury control and setup. So you'll have all your engine data, all your chart plotter functions, and everything that you need. Over on the port side, we've got a little wet bar set up, and you'll see it's set up so you can have stemware on board. Next thing I like about this boat, again, these are entertainers boats, so you can easily step up 2 steps up, and you've got this lovely bow cushion, and you see the bow on this boat is actually flared out a little bit, so you have lots of area to lay out there. Nice and easy to transit through. And then down below here, what you're going to see is this area actually can be set up with a table in the middle, or in the configuration it currently has, this is a berth in itself. So very nice, spacious little cabin down here, but if you do want a weekend on this boat, you can certainly do that. And you have a dedicated head. So this is a wet head, and you can take a little rinse off, shower in there, air condition, everything that you need in order to enjoy the day on the NX. So we'll take another look here at the control systems. And what I like is everything is nicely labeled here. And you have a sound system set up, GPS chart plotter, and then again, beautiful diamond stitch on this really nice bolstered seat here. So you can be hanging out in this area, lean back. You do have the protection of the shade up above, which is just incredible. Okay, so opposing seating on the port side. Nice sound system there, and then we'll take another look back here. And really just a great boat. So if you're looking for a day boat that you can easily get into and enjoy the summertime, we feel really strong about NX, and we think that it's just a beautiful option for many boaters. And the great thing with the NX line is you can transition through to the larger boats. So we're going to take a look at the 340 Sport Coupe up next. Okay, a little more shots here of the exterior of the NX, and I do want to point out how the bow has this flare section, and because it's wider in the front, you do have the ability to have that windlass there, as well as the nice sun pad. And look at the beautiful chines on this boat. So even in this smaller version, the 270, you really do have quite a lot of volume that goes through the boat. So I think that this should be a strong contender for anyone in the market for a boat, either inboard or outboard, in this size range. On behalf of myself, Tony, and the rest of the team at Minted Yachts, thank you so much for checking out the NX boats. if you're in the market for a boat like this, please feel free to hit us up at the info below. Thanks again, and be on the lookout for the next videos. We'd love to hear your comments down below about NX and what your overall thoughts are from the show. For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.